Hi students, MCQ number 11. A gas having gamma equal to 1.5 is suddenly compressed to 1/4 of its initial volume. The ratio of its final to the initial pressure has to be determined. Now, whenever any thermodynamic process takes place suddenly, sudden, rapid, very fast process means it must be an adiabatic process. Keep it in mind, okay? So this must be what? Adiabatic compression. So first I will write for adiabatic process. For adiabatic process. So the relationship between pressure and volume is required. So P into V raised to the power gamma is equal to a constant. So this is to be understood first. Okay. What next is given here. So 1/4 of its initial volume. Therefore, if V1 is taken as V, then V2 will be equal to what? V by 4. Okay. Then what is asked? The ratio of the final pressure to the initial pressure. So P2 divided by P1 has to be found. So whenever we do any numerical problem, first understand, write the relevant formula, write the given information and know first what is to be found. So we have to find P2 by P1 ratio, isn't it? So this is the relation connecting the pressure and volume. So I will write P1 into V1 power gamma is equal to P2 into V2 power gamma. And gamma value also is given. So we can note down gamma is also equal to what? 1.5. So here we need the ratio P2 by P1. So I will write P2. Okay, therefore P2 divided by P1 is equal to V1 divided by V2. So P2 by P1 is equal to V1 divided by V2 whole power gamma. So this is equal to V1 is equal to V and V2 is equal to V by 4. So this is divided by V by 4 whole power 1.5. So this V and V get cancelled. So that 4 is taken to the numerator. So this is equal to what? 4 raised to the power 1.5 can be written as what? 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2. So this is now equal to 4 cube whole power 1 by 2. 4 power 3 by 2 can be written as 4 cube raised to the power 1 by 2. So 4 cube is what? 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 cube is equal to what? Therefore P2 by P1 is equal to 64 whole power 1 by 2. So this is equal to square root of 64. Okay. So 8 square is 64. So this must be equal to what? 8 divided by 1. So therefore P2 by P1 must be equal to what? 8 is to 1. Okay. So we have comfortably got the answer. We will check which of the options. So option D. So here quickly some students will tick the answer B wrongly because it is a ratio P1 by P2, isn't it? But what is asked here? The ratio of its final to the initial pressure. That means P2 by P1 is equal to 8 is to 1. That is the option D is the correct answer. Therefore option D is the correct answer. This type of question has been asked many times in the previous medical entrance examinations. Okay, so you have to practice similar problems. I hope you must have understood. Fine.